In this tutorial I will show you how to create such these travel and tourism posters step by step using ChatGPT and Adobe Photoshop. Open ChatGPT on your browser. Select Create an Image option. Enter prompt here. Prompt is displayed as well as all prompts are provided in description. Check it out. After image generation, select and download the image. Then open Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. From file, place the image that we generated from ChatGPT. Resize and place the image accordingly. Right-click on image layer and rasterize layer. Then select rectangular marquee tool. Make selection of bottom white portion. Then from edit select content aware fill. Check the preview and set output to duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Delete image layer. Then from View select Guides, then New Guide Layout. Copy this overall new guide layout settings. Then select Type tool. Left-click to place text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Type Bali text here. Place it accordingly. Make a copy of text using Alt key. From Properties, font style will remain same, change text size. Change color to white. Type Paradise text here. Place it accordingly below Bali text. Add and place text above Bali and type Tropical Beauty meets Timeless Luxury text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click to insert its width and height. Add radius as well. From Properties, change fill color. And stroke will remain as none. Place the rectangle accordingly. Then place the text inside the shape and type Honeymoon Packages only text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Select Land Portion Area text and change its color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Similarly do with water portion text. Then select all related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Bali Paradise. Add and place the text and type starting from text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Then place rectangle shape. Left-click and copy these sizes. From Properties, change Fill Color. Place the shape accordingly below text. Type 35,000 Indian rupees only text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Select 35,000 and change it to bold. Then select all text and change its color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Then add 7 days and 6 nights text below. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Then add couples trip available text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Select available text and change it to bold italic. And change text size. Select all related layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as 35,000 Indian rupees only. Then select Rectangle tool. Left-click and copy these sizes. From Properties, change Fill to Gradient. Change color using eyedropper tool. And keep stroke to white color. Keep size to 5 pixels and change stroke option to cut lines. Position the rectangle shape accordingly. Again, select Rectangle tool. Left-click and copy these sizes. From Properties, change Fill Color. And keep stroke to none. Place it accordingly. Then add and type inclusion text here. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Change color using eyedropper tool. Or else copy this hex code. Then from File, place Icons image. Place it accordingly. Right-click on Layer and rasterize layer. Then select Rectangular Marquee tool. Make selection of bus icon and press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Hide icon layer. Hold Alt and left-click to make selection. From Fill or Adjustments, select Solid Color. Select color using eyedropper tool. Or copy this hex code. Delete Layer 1. Type AC Volvo bus text below icon. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Then select Line tool. Left-click and drag to add line. From Properties, keep Fill to None. And Stroke Color as per the hex code. Keep stroke size to 3 pixels. Following the same process, add these all remaining icons and text. And group the layers accordingly. Place and add contact info text at bottom. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Select both text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as Contact Info. Lastly, on top add logo and social icons along with website text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Group them accordingly. Select top layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as Final. From View, select Guides and clear Guides. Similarly, you can create such different posters. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.